Hello. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at a new plugin from Slate Digital called Custom Opto. It is basically an LA-2A on steroids. A lot more options than the regular LA-2A, some differences. Main differences are these tone settings. So you've got flat, smooth, warm, aggro and airy. Airy I found is very good on guitars and acoustic guitars, electric guitars, that kind of thing. Aggro I found fantastic on drums. Warm, again, can be really good on guitars. Smooth, great for bass guitar. Flat is just regular flat, so it's not really doing too much tonally. But yeah, it's just a really versatile compressor. You've got ratio controls and speed controls and stereo link and obviously a mix knob. Very intuitive to use, similar to the FG2A or any kind of LA2A, but just a bit more flexibility. Makes it a very versatile compressor. So I've got a track here that I've been working on, and I think I've got the Custom Opto on every track. So I'll just go through and show you how I'm using it, and then maybe do some messing around with the settings just on different sounds to let you hear the difference. So to start off, I'll just let you hear what it's doing on the drums. So that's disabled, and that's enabled. This is on the aggro setting. So there's a nice punch to it. If I switch to airy, you should hear it change. Now we'll go to warm. Smooth. Smooth sounds good on drums too. And flat. That's a pretty decent amount of gain reduction, about 10 dB. But aggro, I like just the punch on it for drums for sure. Just brings the kick and the snare, fattens them up a bit. So I've got the bass. On the smooth setting. Really nice on bass guitar. So if I unmute that and let you hear some of the very ambient guitars. I've actually got both on there. That wasn't supposed to be active. Quite like what it's doing though. So have another guitar panned to the right. Smooth might actually work better than airy on that one. Then I've got the lead guitar. Then lastly, I have like a tongue drum that I just bought. And because I just got it, I wanted to try it on a track, so this seemed as good as any. Warm sounds nice with it. yeah, that's a quick demonstration of the Custom Opto from Slate Digital. Really excellent. If you have the All Access Pass, it's in your account now. You can use the Slate Digital Connect download manager to grab it. And yeah, interested to hear what people think. Cheers.